At Acrylic Arts Academy, we teach the world to paint for free. For all aspiring painters out there, we're excited to offer curated and completely free email courses according to your interests. Currently, we offer 4 free courses with more in development and coming in the future. For beginners, we offer the Acrylic Painting Foundations course. This lesson plan will get you up to date with all the essential skills and terminology to begin your painting adventure. For those interested in learning how to paint seascapes, we have a course for that too. Learn the foundational skills of painting varying energetic forms of water and tips to improve your skills easily. By the end of this course, you'll be equipped to put together an impressive looking seascape painting. We also offer a course to help you build foundational skills for portrait painting to sharpen your abilities. Check out our Tips and Tricks for Painters course to be guided through our best advice for different techniques and subject matter. These tips will help you bolster your skills in different areas of painting. Here's how easy it is to sign up for our free guided courses. Number 1. Sign up for the desired course at the correct link. We'll list all the free courses in the description below. Number 2. Check your email for a message from Acrylic Arts Academy asking to confirm your interest. You must hit the Confirm Subscription button to inform us that you're ready to take the class. Number 3. After that, you'll receive your first lesson in 1 hour and we'll send a class each day until the course is complete. If you cannot find our first email, please check your spam folder. If you still do not see it there, please use the search function for your email provider and look for Acrylic Arts Academy to find the message from us. Mark the message as not spam if necessary, so that this and future announcements will arrive in your primary email folder. We'll also add a helpful link at the description below to assist you in troubleshooting any issues with receiving the lessons. These free courses are another way that Acrylic Arts Academy aims to guide you through the extraordinary process of learning to paint with acrylic. Thanks for trusting us to guide you on your creative journey. We look forward to bringing the delight of acrylic painting into your life. Thanks for joining us, and be sure to check out the description below for any links mentioned here. Start your painting journey today by visiting acrylicartsacademy.com/free courses.